We're up here on the flight deck. I am about to fly our own version of a jet.
The ship itself is about 4 billion. All the planes together on board, another 4 billion. The radars up there.
They've got to be expensive.
I'd say at least a few more billions.
Everything is in billions here.
Plus, if you crash, then we have to look for all the FOD on the runway so that you don't cause more damage.
Foreign object debris.
So you're saying millions in damage, maybe billions, maybe billions.
Definitely billions.
And then 3,000 angry sailors.
Yeah.
Good luck with that. Have fun.
It's gonna be great, guys.
pressure. Here we go.
I'm feeling confident in this suit. Let's go.
Here she comes. Everybody give her a salute on the way by.
Permission to buzz the tower.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Heads up, guys, coming in hot. I love this thing. Thought getting permission for this was going to be the hard part. Turns out, landing was. This is insane. I'm a pilot.
Down! Get down! That's why you need it!
I do care.
It's running out of battery.
Please get it down to the guy.
Hey, you gotta...
Good! And killing it! Now! Yes!
Yes!
Yes! Yes!
Hey, Pilot Corey is totally fine. He is safe.
Hey, you just peaked. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Very nice
Thank you.
peek.
Hey, sorry about scaring you guys back there.
I can't believe we just did that.